Electricity is essential. It has become part of humankind's daily life. Can you even imagine the world without electricity when it is used not only by households but big industries as well? Almost all devices are powered by electricity. Global electricity consumption accelerated in year 2017. Most of the 2017 increase in consumption was from Asia, particularly in China, while electricity consumption in the United States remained largely stable since 2011 because of energy efficiency improvements. This is according to the Global Energy Statistical Yearbook 2018. The great need for electricity and its heavy consumption can mean expensive electricity cost. This year, according to the statistics portal, the U.S. residential electricity prices are estimated to rise by around 3.6% over the previous year. Electricity is essential, but it is expensive as well. So, no matter how it is needed, its price is also a burden to many households. Are you one of those people who are tired of expensive utility bills and bothersome power interruptions? Then maybe it is time to finally find an alternative power source and not fully rely on the power grid that is run by profit-driven moguls. An alternative power source just like the breakthrough research by Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) around year 2012, which is a new approach to solar energy and can give you big savings on your electricity bill. This same breakthrough was discovered by Zach Bennett when he was searching for alternative energy-producing technology after experiencing a tragic night with his family. Thus, Backyard Revolution was created. What is Backyard Revolution? Backyard Revolution is a program that provides you a complete and easy step-by-step guide to build an energy source that can slash your electricity bill by 65% and has already helped thousands of hardworking Americans minimize their electricity expenses. The MIT research is about getting more solar power with less space by building them in a zigzag pattern that you won't be needing a grid or a big space, just 5% of surface is needed compared to traditional solar panel systems. This tutorial will guide you on how to build your own energy source in just 2 hours using a budget of $200. But it can give you savings of approximately $975 in your first year of use. Backyard Revolution was created by Zach Bennett, a simple carpenter who refined and improved the energy source design. Zach Bennett, just like you, is fed up with the unreliable power grids and very expensive electricity. Zach Bennett and his family survived a burglary in his own home one stormy night after the power went out. The incident motivated him to search for an alternative electricity source so that he can always be prepared, and his family won't be exposed to any harm just because of the absence of electricity. At first, he was discouraged by how expensive solar panels are and the space it required to build, which he does not have, but found later on that going solar is incredibly easy and effective using this technology that Backyard Revolution will guide you to build. Advantages 1. Backyard Revolution cuts your energy bill by 65%, which is equivalent to big savings. Savings that you can allocate to something more useful like your children's educational fund or a vacation with your family. 2. It is a one-man job, you can build it on your own because it's a newbie guide. No worries and no maintenance fees. 3. There is a video section in the training which you can replay whenever you want. It is simple, quick and easy to follow. No academic lingo or electricity jargon so that you can have an exciting and easy building experience. 4. It can power the entire house depending on your consumption. 5. It is jam-packed with knowledge about solar energy. 6. You can ask anything about the program for 12 months of unlimited email access. 7. If you are not satisfied, your money will be refunded because this has a 2-month money-back guarantee feature. Disadvantages. 1. This program is only available online, therefore you cannot access it without internet connection. 2. You need to carefully follow the instructions to build the energy source properly. This revolutionary guide can totally change your life for the better. Not only are you going to have big savings, but you will also have the peace of mind to be safe from any power interruptions that can bring in harm to you and your family. You can ensure that your home will never go dark and your family will have the same comfort that they deserve. This is for everybody. A great backup power source that can also become your primary source of energy at home. Why pay expensive power bills to electricity companies that can disappointingly fail you in times of need? Switch to this electricity source and you will never have to worry about power outages, especially during emergency situations.